Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every single week. Eddie, I'm on cup number 4 of coffee, and I want to tell you something.
I can tell.
Yeah. So Hilti contacted me, not you, me, to help host their season of the podcast. And I wanted to talk about it for a minute. And more to gloat than anything.
You're going to do something without me.
Yep.
And you're going to rub it in my face.
You know, I tried to bring you along, and then they said something about lawyers. I don't know. But all I know is that I got to hang out with a bunch of our friends, like a lot of them, and it was great.
Yeah, the deeper you got into this whole thing, the more my feelings actually got.
You're like, I want to be there.
You get to hang out with literally all of our friends.
You know, it's great. And you know, they had even mentioned at one point, maybe Eddie should be a part of this. And then that got shut down like super fast. And so I just want you to know that. It's great. It's great. So they are very wise people over there at Hilti, North America.
Are you making a case that people should actually listen to this? Or are you like, what do you want us to do with this information, Tyler? Because we are all on the outside looking in.
All I'm saying is I get to have some really fun, deep conversations with quite a few people that have been on the show before, except for, say, maybe one, which is Todd Wynn, who is, I've heard him described as a vibe by Trevor Owen, and it is so true.
Well, you've said that I need to meet him.
You need to meet Todd.
Like, you need to meet this guy.
Todd's pretty great.
Okay.
But everybody else I'd met and hung out with before with you.
With me.
Yeah, and we just did it separately this time. But we had really cool conversations about like their history in the industry, some of the different ways that they're trying to innovate in their field, some of the things that they've seen during their growth in the industry. We got into some of like Angie Simon's first times out on a project and some of the different comments that were made as her being a female project manager. Very interesting, very enlightening, honestly.
Never happens in construction.
That never happens in construction, no. But it was one of those things. It was like, holy crap. Like, I do feel like we have come a long way in cases, but in others we have not. We kind of dig into some of that stuff too. So this whole 5 Minute Friday is to just urge people, go check it out, because honestly, it was a lot of really fun combos that I got to have without you.
You check it out and then come right back.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't leave forever.
Don't leave forever. 6 episodes.
Don't allow bitterness to overcome you.
No.
On my behalf, because I was excluded.
Yeah, so the moral of the story here is that I did a cool thing. And, if you want to give me a pat on the back and say, good job, Tyler, because I'm a millennial and I need that sort of affirmation in my life, go check it out. It's in this case. You can look it up on Spotify. And Eddie won't be there. And if you want your weekly dose of Eddie, just come on back here to the Construction Brothers, where we sit and beat on each other for your enjoyment.
Yeah.
We might beat up on each other after this. Who knows? Guys, thanks for being with us this week. Go build something awesome.